So with this PowerPoint, I'm in instructor view right now, so I can see my Ally dial, but I can also see how to download it in other formats. So that's something that students can do, but also I can do as an instructor. So if I click on this for alternate formats, what I uploaded was a PowerPoint. But just at the moment, actually, I'm on a computer that doesn't have a program for that if I downloaded it. So I'm on this computer that is maybe not going to enjoy reading the PowerPoint that I previously uploaded. So maybe what I want to do is download it as a PDF, which is going to work on pretty much any device. And that will be easier on my computer right now to read this. So students have the option of doing this, but also as the instructor, you might want to be able to get different versions and just have that flexibility. And you don't have to figure out how to convert it yourself from the original file. Ally is going to just give you this list and do it for you. So I've picked tagged PDF. And I'm going to download it here from Ally, and I'm going to open it just right there on my computer in Preview or Acrobat or any PDF reader, and it just pops up. And actually, my sample slides here are from a conference. If the conference is asking me, like upload a PDF, this would be a great, great conversion tool for pretty much anything. So it's an easy lift to be able to get your own slides in different formats for your own use, but also it's offered to students, so you don't have to do the conversion for them. If you need support or help with looking at Ally and using it on Blackboard, then you can always contact support at wm.edu, and IT will be able to help you out with how to use the new Ally feature.